If you're getting leads but barely booking jobs, there's a good chance you're making one of these 3 mistakes and they could be changed overnight. I work with roofing companies across the US to not only generate them more leads, but to convert those leads into booked appointments by leveraging AI. But that's not what we're here to talk about in this video. I'm just here to talk about the 3 mistakes that you could be making. And that brings us into mistake number 1, which is most roofers wait 30 minutes, an hour, or even till the end of the day to follow up with a lead. In the time between when a lead reaches out to you and you're able to follow back up with them, they've probably contacted another business to receive another estimate. Studies show that calling a lead within 5 minutes can make you 9 times more likely to convert that lead compared to calling them within 30 minutes. Now, there are tools for you that can follow up instantly, but we'll get to that later in the video. Now, onto mistake number 2, which is that most roofers follow up with a lead once, maybe twice, and then stop. But the truth is that most sales happen after following up 5+ times. But what can you expect? People get busy, people get calls from random numbers, hours, sometimes days after they submit the form. They don't even remember what it's about. The truth is that if you're not on top of mind, your competitors will be. Now, there are tools out there that can follow up for you automatically, but we'll touch on that later in the video. Alright, on to mistake number 3, and that's even when a lead is interested, roofing companies don't make it easy to book. They often ask the client to call back, don't have a direct calendar booking system, and reply on vague "will get back to you" terms. The best roofing companies that are also the most efficient send a link to lock in a time immediately. So to fix these 3 mistakes, you need fast follow-up, consistent responses, and an easy way to book in your calendar. Now luckily, we use AI to immediately follow up with incoming leads. When we follow up with those leads, we gather all the necessary information that you need as a business, and then we book them into your calendar. This means that you no longer have to depend on yourself or someone else to follow up with these leads. They just automatically drop into your calendar, and all you have to do is give the estimate and deliver the job. By using AI, we are able to deliver consistent results because it doesn't matter what time of day it is or what day of the week it is, it always performs perfectly and consistently. I'm not saying this is for everyone, but if you're tired of chasing leads and want a system that works for you when you sleep, book a free walkthrough call in the description, and I'll walk you through how this works, what it looks like, and if we can use this for your business today.